Alkaline releases Popcaan diss track. It's time for your daily quickie, guys. Let's get right into it. So last night, dancehall artist Alkaline dropped his new diss track aimed allegedly at his current rival Popcaan. The single titled Microwave is produced by Chimney Records, confirming rumors that Canadian rapper Drake bought Popcaan's new Range Rover Evoque convertible, along with a slew of other accusations about the unruly boss and his unruly gang. Alkaline's Microwave answers Popcaan's recent diss track, Stray Dog, produced by Marcus Records. Social media, of course, went into a frenzy when the diss track was released. Microwave is currently sitting at the #1 trending video on YouTube. Money shoot up your car where your man buy you make your waffy left that abandon. You get $30 million what a ride and a range as a prize and a pack of tampon. About a 2 pound. Microwave you want. Marvin The Beast is making headlines again, but this time it's not for his extreme dancing on the local scene. The popular Montagonian dancer made rounds online over the weekend after the sister of his wife took to social media to blast his current relationship with dancehall queen Nikisha, while tagging United States citizenship and immigration services. However, Marvin has since responded with his side of the story in a lengthy IG post. Sorry, so Instagram don't have a character, like, honestly, guys. He and his wife have been separated for several months and it's not Nikisha's fault. He also went on to say that his wife has been cheating on him with drug lords. Ooh. Marvin LAN shared this video with him and his current girlfriend Nikisha and tagged his wife with the caption saying, quote, "Happy Myanmar at DHQ_Nikisha, LOL at you at Lisa-licious." Real classy, Marvin. Good one. He later deleted it and changed the caption to "Happy me and my baby at DHQ_Nikisha." Yeah, man. Save. We already have the receipts though.
Everybody video this. It's like a new year now. Now you're good. And some rest are good, but guess what? Then send me a person to dance to the woman till the day. You know, I'm not going to dance with. You understand? So when you see me, I want to see a fire coming up for the week. You take out the week, the money, everybody. Nikisha, let's go. Nikisha, you want it?
So with the Soca 2017 season upon us, Soca artist Patrice Roberts has just released the official music video for her Big Girl Now single to kick off the new year. Check it out. The single comes just after her recent performance at Bacchanal New Year, Friday gone. It was dope, wasn't it? That's it for your Daily Quickie, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to follow us at RATV Jamaica on Instagram and Snapchat, and tell us what you guys think about this Alkaline diss track with Popcaan. See you guys later.